Great afternoon, great afternoon, great afternoon. Great morning, let's go! Hey folks, this is Wesley Virgin, and I'm so grateful today that I woke up this morning. I'm grateful right now that I have fingers. I am grateful right now that I have a voice to speak. I am grateful right now that my parents are okay. I am grateful right now that my children are thriving. But I want to leave you, listen to me here. Let's go! I want everybody right now to put let's go in the comments below. And I want to give you 3 words, okay, that I want you to ruminate on. I want to give you 3 words that I used every single day. I will repeat to myself when I was in the struggle. See, many of you right now, you're in the struggle. Some of you are in the pits of life. Some of you are in the trials and tribulation of the things that are transpiring around you. But let me give you something, and I want everybody, even you, yeah, I'm talking to you, big head. Let's go! I want you to comment these 3 words below. And when you comment those 3 words, I want you to shout those 3 words. Because see, let me share something with you. 5 years ago, when I was in that small apartment, I tell this story over and over again because it resonates with me so much, and I know it will resonate with you. When I was in that small apartment, and the only thing I had was a dream. I didn't have any money. I didn't have resources. I didn't have tools, but I had a dream. Like Martin Luther King, I had a dream, right? I had a dream that I will be here today. I want everybody to put these words below. Listen to me here. Believe in yourself. Woo! Woo! Hold up. Hey, I'm talking to you. Hey, wake up. See, right now, I know you're listening to me. Maybe you're driving your car just like me. Maybe you're in your bedroom. Maybe you're laying on your couch. I don't know what you're thinking about right now. But remember, everything happens for a reason. You are watching this video for a reason. It's a reason why you're here. Believe in yourself. I'm talking to you. Look at me. Look at me. Believe in yourself. See, I know some of you want to believe in your pastor. You want to believe in your mentor. You want to believe in Wesley Virgin. You want to believe in God. You want to believe in other people. You want to believe in authority figures. You want to believe in your parents. But I'm telling you, from a man that struggled, man, it was tough. I had to believe in myself every day. Every day I had to make a decision to believe in me, that this life that I have here today was possible. Because let me share something with you. You can get all the advice. You can talk to all the gurus. You can read all the scriptures. But at the end of the day, you got to make a decision. And you got to make a choice to move forward with your life. At the end of the day, it's all about you and your life. Me, Wesley Virgin, I love you, right? I care about people who really want to win. I really care about people who are not procrastinators, people that are not bullshitters, people not just not trying to kick tires. But you want to win. That's why you're watching this video. That's why you're here with me right now. But what I'm telling you, got to believe in yourself. I want you to comment these words below. You got to believe in yourself. You got to believe that you're capable, because you are. Just because your teachers say, hey, you're not going to make it. My teachers, they told me that I wasn't going to graduate high school. When I was in the Army, they said I wasn't going to make it in the world, in society. They kicked me out. I couldn't manage money. They took my cars. They kicked me out of my homes. But still, I believed in me. Because see, that's what counts. See, it's great for other people to believe in you. But it's nothing greater than believing in yourself. Because let me share something with you. Everybody around you, they're not going to believe in you like you believe in you. A lot of you are waiting for other people like authority figures, mentors, rich people, successful people to say, I believe in you. I believe in you. But what if I'm not here? What if there are no more Wesley Virgin videos? What if there's no more inspiration? What if there's no more motivational YouTube channels? Then what do? You got to believe in you. You got to believe in you every second of the day. Every decision that you got to make, even when you tell that person, I got to let you go. Even when you tell that boss, I no longer can work here because you're making me sick. Even when you have that friend in your life, listen to me. Even when you had that friend in your life for 10 years, you love them, you care about them, you say, I can no longer be your friend. I could be your friend from a distance. Even though you have mamas and daddies and grandmothers, but they're negative. You love them, but you say, Mama, I can't talk to you as much as I used to. Dad, I can't talk to you as much as I used to because I got to go live my dream. But what I'm telling you, you got to believe in yourself because, see, listen to me. You got people around you, they don't want you to win. They don't. And the only reason why they don't want you to win because they don't want you to fly past them. They don't. I experienced this personally. I've had friends in my life. It was like, yeah, Wesley, we believe in you. Go do it, Wesley. Do your thing, Wesley. I've had people that were rich. Listen, I had successful people who were rooting for me. And as soon as I made millions of dollars, as soon as I became this celebrity, as soon as I became famous, as soon as I became admirable in other people's eyes, they talked about me. They treated me like shit. They told me that I wouldn't make it. They said, hey, 2 years you'll be broke, Wesley. Why you wasting money on all those cars? That's stupid, Wesley. All these people here, we don't really like you, Wesley. The same people, listen, that was rooting for me. That said, Wesley, we want you to win. Wesley, I love your attitude. Wesley, I adore your personality. They were against me. Because they do not want you to win, not really. They don't. This is why it's important for you to believe in yourself because, see, you not only, listen to me, listen, you not only have to believe in yourself now when you're broke, maybe you have no money, maybe you don't have the resources. Not only do you have to believe in yourself at these type of times, you got to believe in yourself when it happens, when you have that breakthrough, when you make that $10,000 in a day, when you make that $30,000 in a month, when you buy your brand new GTS, your Lamborghinis or your Ferraris, right? When you buy that beautiful mansion here, you got to really believe in yourself. I want everybody to take heed to this, even you. You got to believe in you. You know, when you can read all the books, you can meditate, you can listen to all the self-help audio. But unless you constantly believe in yourself and your ability, if you believe that you're worthy of having more, if you believe that you're worthy of having the best, because you deserve the best, you're king, you're queen, you are your royalty. The world's going to tell you no, be humble. The world's going to say, no, don't shout so much about it. The world's going to say, hey, don't show off. Hey, remember to be humble. What I'm telling you is this. I want you to be a king. I want you to be a king, a queen. I want you to understand that we were placed on this earth for a purpose. You were placed on this planet for a purpose. If you hear me right now, hit the like button. If you're believing in yourself right now, I want to know right now. It doesn't matter if you're watching the replay right now. It doesn't matter if you're live with me right now. Who is committed to believing in themselves? And let me share something with you. It's not easy. It's not easy to believe in you when everybody else is against you. It's not easy to believe in you when everything around you is failing. When everything tangibly is not working. How many of you right now hit the like button if you're going to believe in you? Let's go. Let's go. Because that's what the power is. The power is the belief in you. See, the thing is when you redirect everything that you're putting out externally, when you turn that force of energy back to you, whoo! You start to become the woman and the man that you were destined to be. You'll start to see things that other people don't see. You'll start to encounter things that other people don't encounter. You'll start to see opportunities. You'll start to see blessings that will start to fall in your lap. All because you believe in yourself. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the shares. Thank you right now for the likes and the shares. Understand this, and I'm going to let you go. Listen to me close to that. The only reason I talk about believing in yourself because that is a mind hack. This is a trait of a multimillionaire. This is a trait of a very successful person. This is the trait of people like your LeBron James, like your Drake, like your Kevin Hart, like your Oprah. They all believe in themselves. They believe in them. They believe in themselves so much, even though they got people that are against them, even though they got people that tease them, even though they got people that troll them. You got to believe in you every day. This is the Millionaire Mind Hack. Many of you have already grabbed my mind hacks. If you have not, look at me below in the description. You can grab those mind hacks, because until you change your mind, you can't change your life. Until you change you can't change your situation. The only reason why I'm driving a $120,000 car right now, this car cost me $120,000. I don't say that to brag and boast, and I don't say that to impress you, but I do say that to impress upon you that it's possible. And the only reason why I'm capable of having and owning this, paying cash for this, because I believe in me. Even though when people tell me that's a bad decision, Wesley, you shouldn't spend money on cars, Wesley, you shouldn't buy $40,000 watches, Wesley, I say, hey, I believe in me. This is what I want. You know why? Because this is my life. Guess what? It's your life. Don't ever let anybody, and I'm going to let you go for real this time. Ever let anybody, look at me. Don't you ever let anybody tell you what you can't do. Not even me. I don't care how insane, I don't care how outrageous, I don't care how crazy the goal is. Don't you let anybody tell you that it's not possible. I am a man, I'm in my 30s, I am young, I own 7 cars paid off. I own 6 houses around the world paid off. Don't let anybody tell you what you're dreaming is not real. Period. Believe in you. Believe in you. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself, Robbie. Chris. Believe in yourself, Wes. Believe in yourself. Believe in you. It's possible. Trust me. Just believe that you can do it. I know you don't have all the answers, but just believe it's possible. I know right now you don't have the tools, the resources, maybe the people right now to just keep believing in yourself that you're capable. Keep running down the road of success. Keep, even if you're limping right now, I want you to keep moving. Even if you're crawling on the ground, I want you to keep moving. I love you so much. I appreciate you guys. Remember, all of you should have already been to wesleyvirgin.com. By now, you'll understand that the website and the mind hacks are available for you. You don't have to grab them. I'm giving you this as a gift. The Millionaire Mind Hacks in the description below are up in the bio above. Let's go! I said in the description below. If you're on YouTube right now, the link is there to grab the mind hacks that made me a multi-millionaire. Let's go! If you're on Instagram right now, if you look up in the bio, there's a link that you can click to grab the mind hacks that made Wesley $1 billion Virgin the man that he is today. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let's go! Later.